Good morning from Madrid. It's a very cold March morning.
It's a great introduction. I'm filming you. Good morning from a very cold Madrid. We're just about to start the walking tour, so come with us and see what Madrid has to offer. We're at Plaza del Callao, I think it's pronounced. We're waiting for the walking tour to start. I don't know if you can see behind me, but it looks like they're giving away free fruit and veg and everybody's queuing for it. And this building right here was where we had some drinks the other day and enjoyed a lovely view over the city. The building's called El Corte Inglés, and up there on the 9th floor there's, I guess you'd call it a gourmet food court. And here's some shots of the view from up there. And this was the first stop on the walking tour. Excuse my Spanish, but it's called the Convent of Las Descalzas Real. And here's our guide with a little story about the building of the Royal Opera House in Madrid.
Anybody of you know the meaning of the word mañana in Spanish?
Tomorrow.
More or less. Okay, so if you ask somebody in Spain, so when is it that you're going to get this finished? Mañana. And that does not mean tomorrow. Okay? Sometimes in the future. Okay? So this building here is a good example of this concept because it was actually started in 1818, but until 30 years later, in 1850, there was still no theatre here. So finally the Queen, Isabel II, decided to sign a royal decree saying the theatre has to be finished, not mañana, hoy, today. And in fact, from that moment, it took them only 5 months to finish the whole thing.
We were quite lucky that our walking tour coincided with the changing of the guard at the Royal Palace, so yeah, we were quite lucky to catch that as well.